think I'm gonna sail away. Would you like to come along? There's so many things we can do, and so many things to see.
Hey, Concerts at Sea's friends, it's Jim Marcella reporting. We are in beautiful Boise, Idaho, and while we're here seeing many sights, we had to come see Harmon Travel, the home of Concerts at Sea. Yes, there really is a Harmon Travel. Let's go inside and check it out. Come on.
Welcome, guys! Hey! Welcome to Harmon Travel. This is our business here, so it does truly exist. And Jim and Julie, welcome from Arizona to our beautiful Boise.
We are happy to be here and really excited to see what it looks like. So would you guys take a couple of minutes and show people what Harmon Travel really is behind the scenes? Because what we get to see is the fantastic production of Concerts at Seas every year, but we never get to see the year-long operations behind putting that fun week together for all of us. Show us around.
The room underneath our Concerts at Sea Rock and Roll Cruise banner. That's Bob's office. Come on back.
Let's take a look at this. What a fantastic facility. And how many years have you guys been in this building?
43.
43 years in the same facility. Wow, that's amazing in itself.
Well, Bob has also been in the business himself for how long? 63 years in October?
Yep.
Because he was in womb when Elenore, his mother, was running the show here. So Elenore and Earl Harmon started this business in 1957, and we're carrying on the legacy. And so this is Bob's office. That's his zebra skin that he brought back from South Africa. We have snake charming baskets. We have all sorts of hidden little treasures that Elenore and Bob and us and Earl, Bob's dad, brought back from all their travels. Had been on all continents, all 7 continents.
So this is the operations hub
Right here.
of all of Harmon Travel,
The
right
buck
here.
stops here. So we do a lot of training. Our agents are constantly trained. This is our training center. This is where we have our bon voyage parties for Concerts at Sea. We have monthly luncheons and training for all the agents. The agents can use this personally too. And this has been, all these souvenirs are from around the world that Elenore brought back from her travels.
That is absolutely amazing. It's almost like a museum in here, just all the artifacts and knickknacks on the walls and on the desks and everything that are real pieces from all over the world.
And when Elenore is here, she can actually pick up every piece and say, oh, I was here, I picked this up at this gift shop, I remember going there and doing this. It was really quite memorable. And she just kind of walks around and gets lost in her memories in here. Right here, Elenore, this was her original desk, and this was her original nameplate. Welcome to Harmon Travel. Elenore is one who started this business, and she and her husband actually came up with the idea in a small little town of maybe 30 people, and they started it at a bus. They had a bus depot and a hotel on top of it that they ran called the Harmon Hotel. And the Greyhound came through and talked them into doing bus tours. So this is the very first bus tour that she made money on. Because this is actually the very beginning of Harmon Travel in 1957. And she won all sorts of awards. And Bob grew up into this. So this is something he's been just part of his life. It is what it is.
What an amount of history in this building alone. And how many agents do you guys have right now?
About 15.
Wow. Both in both in leisure and corporate.
Yes.
Leisure, corporate. People from go all around the world out of here. Tammy's desk is right here. This is for our concerts at sea, Tammy.
Aha!
Even this is some of her pictures.
Harmon Travel is really a fantastic operation, and Harmon Travel is the sponsor, the backer, the organizer of Concerts at Sea, along with everything else that they do all year long. Bob, Barbara, Tammy, who would be in this chair if she was here. What a fantastic operation. So we want to tell everybody, when you go to www.concertsatsea.com, you are clicking into this operation and all the wonderful people that are behind it. So I'm really glad we had an opportunity to really get a quick tour and to show everybody what really is behind all of the Concerts at Sea activities. So we always want you all to join us every year, next time in 2022. So go to the website, www.concertsatsea.com, or you can always call
866-3-OLDIES.
Oldies.
They got it. They even know the number. You can always call and talk to one of these wonderful agents in this operation and book a cruise. We want you to join us. We love you all. Thanks, Bob and Barb.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jim.
Thank you,
Enjoy.
Concerts at Sea. Thank you, Harmon
Thank
Travel.
you. Thank you, everyone, for hanging in there with us. We're a mom and pop joint. This is just Bob and I and all our wonderful employees. And we really do need your love and support, and we do appreciate that you've hung in there with us. We'll see you in 2022.
Yes, we will. For Concerts at Sea, Jim Marcella reporting.